Wouldn't it be cool if we could work to bring back an extinct species? Before Ted Turner created his well-known legacy, he started buying raw land, massive ranches across America. Then something captured his attention. He couldn't get it out of his head. It became his magnificent obsession. He learned the American buffalo, once tens of millions strong, had nearly disappeared. Most people would have preserved the land and thought, too bad for the old buffalo. Ted didn't. He decided to restore a part of American history that was lost. At first, it didn't work. Managing herds, restoring ecosystems, scaling it. It was complex, costly, uncertain. Most would have quit. Not Ted Turner. He kept expanding one ranch at a time. And then things started turning. His dreams started to work. The herds were finally expanding. Turner built one of the largest private buffalo herds in the world. And then the Buffalo King went further. He created Ted's Montana Grills, bringing buffalo back to the table sustainably. At his peak, he owned 2 million acres, and he covered the plains with massive herds, over 50,000 bison. And remember, he started with only 300. Ted created conservation that was paid for by commercial pursuits. Here's a truth you should know. In making fortunes like Ted and I have, you don't just take, you restore, you revitalize, you rebuild the land, the people, and every good thing. So build something bigger than you that gives back. This is stories that create futures and fortunes where one story can change yours. Until next time, this is your friend, Mark Victor Hansen.